welcome to another Fortnite stream. And today, are you fucking kidding? You gotta be kidding. Are you joking? I started my stream and died. But we're doing a VIP server. And I have to freaking spectate. Damn. Oh! Are you joking? It's only freaking. It's only freaking Maya. Ah, you suck! I don't know how I died. Bro, why do you keep pooping on golf balls? Like, quit pooping on golf balls. Oh my god. I screwed up. Oh, okay. So did I keep? I see. Yo, you thought you dead. You know that. Oh, you died. You know you screwed up. Beep, beep. Ah. Oof. I'm piggy. It's my boy Jackson's VIP server because if you scroll up, it said the host is Jax. Okay. Really? I wonder if I understand. You know, guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Please, 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 baby. Bruh. Okay, hopefully I'm traders then. How about that? Damn. Alright. We're out of gas and completely surrounded. Looks like I have to go through the gallery. Okay, pop quiz. Through that little tunnel that we were just looking at with the car view, that is the alley from book 2, chapter 1. Fun fact. Alright, who's Piggy? Oh yeah. So I'm not trader. $10, Jackson's trader. $10. That'd be $10. Oh, get me through that. Nah. Dang. I'm out, boys. I'm out, G. Okay, well, good thing the piggy is a bot, so I can do my juking skills. You know? Okay, who just died? Oh! Oh, you! Dang, okay, who died first? Oh, Jackson. Yeah. $10, I told him he died first. And we already know who the killer is. I knew it. I knew it was, whatever. Maya was Piggy. I need to be Piggy boy. I need to be Piggy boy. I'm drinking Diet Dr. Pepper. You know. I'm gonna bring one for Jackson tomorrow for that old one. Come on. Not Landon. I'm doing 12. Oh, I hate that map. No, but it's easy to get kills. So hopefully that'll be Piggy. Yeah. Oh no, player! No, now I don't want to play the map. Like, come on. Look right there. Yeah, Mr. P, I have your skin. Can I get your autograph? Oh, crap. Let's do a freaking bot, so I mean, come on. Come on. Oh. Yeah, we just screwed up. Oh, what's his name? No! Oh, just to know that would have been me, so. Okay, I'm gonna get some ammo. You know? No! No! No way it kills Piggy. Yo. I have no idea he can kill you like that. Bro, this is fucking bullshit. Whoa, crap. Crap, bro. Like, what the fuck is this game? Bitch, you got a key card too? Bruh, come on. Mr. P, okay, bruh. I'm the only one to die. I'm joking. Literally died by an NPC. 3, 2, 1, Piggy's knocked out. 3, 2, 1, Piggy is knocked out for 20 seconds. Oh, like the only one to die. Bro, wait, hold on. Oh, come on. Okay, yeah, so I'll slip in there. Call it. Alright, we went in the next round after like 15 minutes of waiting. Like, dang. Alright, my god, we're finally in the next round. Finally! I get killed by Mr. P one more time. I swear to. Okay, not God, but I swear to. Come on! Ow! Oh. There's a note here. Bro, can I read it? Like. Overkill. This guy's overkill. Oh, take cover! Oh, what a loser. Wait. Dude, I think this might be. I don't know. I think it's player, right? Yeah, we're playing player. Did you not know how to live? Oh, bro, he's drowned. Chat, it's not my fault. I ran into him without seeing. Quit hammering me. I ran into Mr. P. Oh, what the? What in the name? Okay. We got purple stuff. Oh. Wait, what? What? No. Bitch. Oh my god. I should have just stayed there, you know, like, god dang, I hate waiting. They're all like MVPs, so like it's going to be a while. Look, we got. Wait, Jackson died? Or no, Jackson left. Oh, she about to get beat or ready for it? Oh no. Oh. Just these two bots, you know? Okay. I don't know what to do anymore. So I'm gonna end the stream right. Wait, no way. Oh, she didn't even die. Oh man. Okay, chat. I know it was it. Okay. Now that's what I call tough. $10 to answer. Hit her in the back. $10. $10. She ran into that. She clearly ran into it. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream off here. And yeah. Oh. Yeah, okay. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace out, my small gang.